Alright, it's like 6 a.m. I'm watching the plow. I don't know if you can tell. I don't see him getting through this. That's how deep the snow is. It's probably at least 5 feet or 6 feet deep in the street because of the snowdrifts. I mean, I just don't see it all. Maybe. I mean, I'm impressed actually, but this is insanity. I can't even believe it. That truck's gotta be very powerful. I mean, he is just pushing it. He's just, see this? I mean, look at the size of the snowdrifts. It's really the snowdrifts that are bad, because in some spots, like behind the Mustang, it doesn't look that bad. But it is. It's the snowdrifts. I mean, we're looking at about a 4-foot snowdrift right in front of the door, over my car. I mean, look at the pile of snow. And I'm impressed. I certainly didn't think he was going to get through. I did not. I thought this street would definitely be impassable for a while. I'm very impressed that he's able to get through. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but the fence at G's house, it's up to the fence at G's house. That's how high the snowdrift is. You have to go potty, Yosh? Poor Yosh has nowhere to go potty. It's just so funny how the drift is. I'm impressed with this, because I thought for sure there's no way he's getting through. This is as bad as I've seen it in my lifetime. They're saying 17.5 feet of snow here in Lake Zurich right now. I've never seen it this bad. Obviously I was too small in 67. Oh my word. This is nutty. I mean, you can't see it. Dude, it's just too hard to tell. I wanted Mike to see this. It is going to be very difficult for me to get out of this driveway. I don't think I'm going to be able to drive my car. And I don't see school on Thursday. I just don't know that they can get this all cleared.